Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve next question, question number 17, 2016 JEE Mains Physics paper. So let us solve question number 17. Students, let us solve question number 17. So far we have discussed about the 16th questions. So let us solve this question number 17. This question says an arc lamp requires a direct current of 10 ampere at 80 volt to function. It's a lamp. Suppose this is a lamp which is connected to DC. It sends 10 ampere to function and 80 volt. This is the voltage required and this is the current required to function. This will then give light. If it is connected to a 220 volt RMS 50 Hertz alternating current supply AC source, so this bulb is now connected to alternating source EMF which is 220 volt and 50 Hertz. This is the root mean square value of the voltage and this is the frequency 50 Hertz alternating current. Then the series inductor needed for it to work is close to. So for this purpose we require a inductor of say inductance L. So what is that value of L in Henry we have to find. So these are the options given, 80 Henry and so on. So we have to see which one is the correct answer. To solve this question, this information gives that V and I is there. So the resistance we can find from here by Ohm's law. The resistance is not going to change if you have if this is connected to this. So the resistance here is V upon I, that is 80 divided by 10, which is 8 ohm. This is the resistance of the lamp. Now when this is connected to this, because this is alternating, the impedance is considered here. Impedance Z is this is having some resistance. Whatever is the resistance here, that resistance in this is basically RL circuit. So in RL circuit the Z is XL square plus R square under root. This is the impedance or resistance offered by alternating current, resistance offered by the circuit to the alternating current. If I solve this, then the Z equals to XL is omega L the square plus R square under root. Omega is 2 pi F L the whole square plus R square the root. If I substitute this value, this is your F and this is your R, putting that and this Z, we have the current that is required to function this is 10 ampere. You have to supply here also. So the current is the voltage divided by the resistance over here, and this is Vrms, Irms is Vrms upon Z. This is 220 you are supplying, divided by the Z value. The Z value is 2 pi f square, 2 pi fl square plus r square under root I. This is 10. So this goes, and this is 22 left. This comes to this side. So this is 2 pi fl the square plus r square, root is 22, squaring both sides. This is 100 pi l square plus 8 square is 22 square. Now 22 square is 484. So 100 why it is 100? Because this is 2 and this is 50 and the question is 50, so it is 100 pi l. So 100 pi l the square is 484 minus 64. This comes to this side, 64. So this comes out to be 64, 60, 20, 420. Now hundred pi l the whole square is 420. So 100 pi l is 420 under root. This is approximately 20 point something, 20.49 something. That we'll discuss. Then this is pi is 3.14 multiplied 100. So this is called 314. 420 divided by 314. 420 you can write as 420 root. You can find as 400 is if it is 400 is 20, so 20 is there. So I'll write it is nearly 20.49 something like that. So 20.5 you can say, divided by this 20.49 divided by 314. This is approximately, if I write 20, approximately this is the way you to find, because you should not go for actual calculation. Even if I take this as 20 approximately, and this is 314, I'll take 300 even I will take 300. This is approximately, with error obviously, 2 by 30, which is 2 by 3 by 10. So it will be 2 by 3 divided by 10. 2 by 3 is approximately 0.6 and 6. 0.6 is divided by 10. This gives me 0.066. Even if by rough calculations, I know that this is 420. Obviously, it is greater than 20. If I don't even solve, and if I take 20 also, I know it is 20 something, but I take 20, and this is 314. If I take 300, then I am getting 0.066. If I see the option, if there are close values, 0.065 is here, and we are getting 0.066. The answer given is 0.065, and we are getting 0.066. Even if you go by this calculation, you are getting 2 digits correct. This is nearly correct. So therefore, and other options are not in the close range of this. So therefore, the option number 4 is correct. Even if we go for this type of calculations, still we're getting the answer. Sometimes you should use this type of calculations to solve numericals, save time as far as MCQs questions are concerned. Okay, so for this, option number 4 is correct answer. Okay, thank you.